Namaste everyone, my name is Abhishek Pandey and you are watching me on Dhyanast Yoga. Today I am going to teach you about Surya Namaskar, how to do it step by step with the breathing pattern. If you are beginner, welcome. If you are intermediate or advanced practitioner, you can learn how to do Surya Namaskar with a better posture, with the correct alignment in an advanced way. You can watch the another video in my playlist. So let's start. Gently move in front of your mat. We all know that Surya Namaskar is a complete practice. So if you are following it at least for 11 times, you will feel completely better and confident. Drop your both the hands, your both the toes will be in the one line. Look forward, take a deep breath, inhale and complete exhale. Now raise your both the arms up. Inhale, join your both the palm in front of your chest, Pranamasana. This is the first posture. 2. Raise your arms up gently. Inhale and back bend. Look back. Hold the posture with the inhalation, Hastottanasana. 2. From here, exhale, complete bend forward and drop your both the hand just beside your feet. If you are beginner, you can bend your knees and drop your chest down just above your thighs and drop your head down here. Take the support of your palm. Now we are moving towards the Asho Sanchalanasana. Bring your left feet back, drop your toes down, drop your knees down and look forward. You can flat your toes. Remember, your front heels and your front knee will be in the one line. If it is difficult, try to make it correct and look up. From here, tuck your toes towards the inside. Exhale, go back in Dandasana. Look forward, hold the posture. If you find it difficult to hold, you can drop your right knee down and look forward very gently. We are moving towards the Sashtanga Namaskar. Drop your opposite knee down very gently. Flat your toes, bend your elbow and just try to drop your chest down and chin down on the floor in a Sashtanga Namaskar. Look up, flat your toes, drop your upper body and lift your upper body towards the upside in Bhujangasana. Inhale, take your toes inside, lift your hip up completely, go back in the mountain pose, press your shoulders down with the exhalation, hold the posture and gently in the next posture, bend your left knee and drop your left heels down. This is the posture number 9. Asho Sanchalan again. You can flat your back toe and hold the posture. Press your hip down. Look up. Shift your body weight towards the palm. Tuck your toes. Bring your right feet towards the forward side. Again, in the Padhastasana, you can bend your knees. You can drop your head down. You can drop your palm. Here, gently straight your knees, straight your both the hands, lift your arms up and again back bend as much as you can. Because we are beginners, don't give any stress, be gentle and with the inhalation, come back, join your both the palm in front of your chest. That's the posture number 12. That's one round of Surya Namaskar. If you want to do it for 10 times, 15, 21, it depends on your capacity. Be gentle in the starting and keep following the same pattern again and again. In the end, you can do the little bit relaxation technique and you can finish your practice. So this is the complete package you have to follow to make yourself better and feel confident. Thank you for watching. Take care. Pranam.